This poem is by Wright. It's called Laurie and Dorrie.
The first thing that you'll notice if you meet my Uncle Laurie is how whatever he does, he can't stop saying sorry. He springs from bed at 5 a.m. as birds begin to waken. No offence intended, lads, likewise I hope none taken. This drives his wife, my Auntie Dorrie, mad. It's not surprising. She grabs him by the throat and screeches, "Stop apologizing!" My uncle, who's a little deaf, says, "Sorry, sorry, Dorrie." For goodness sake, Aunt Dorrie screams, "Stop saying sorry, Laurie." Sorry dear, stop saying what? Laurie's shaken. No need to be, my dear, he says, for no offence is taken. Likewise, I'm sure that there was none intended on your part. Dear Lord, Aunt Dorrie breathes. What can I do? Where do I start? Then OIC says Uncle L. You mean stop saying sorry? I'm sorry to have caused offence. Oops, sorry, Dorrie.